Hey guys, at BV Matson, got home from work, 3 boxes at my door. Let's unwrap some boxes. All right, first one's a small one. Ain't nothing too crazy. I actually already have one, but I'm going to need another one. And when you run across one of these on eBay for a whole $9, you pick it up. So for $9, got myself an extra one. This one's pretty crusty, missing a bolt, whatever. Got myself another CL bracket. Gonna need it for my buddy that I'm gonna give these other CL parts to for his 72 CB. So we're gonna convert that one for $9. Can't beat it. We'll drop it in a Vapor Rust, and you know what? It'll probably clean up just fine. Dude, that guy gave me a sticker too. Free sticker with an eBay purchase. Now that you don't see every freaking day. That's awesome. Free sticker with an eBay purchase. Love it. Next. So, had a little discovery while I was taking apart the bike. I thought that a piece that I had wasn't good enough shape. I thought that I wasn't going to have any issues. But a buddy of mine was looking at the parts one day when he was over, and he's like, hey, dude, these are bent. And I was like, what are you talking about? They're bent. Well, it turns out that my CL handlebars had a little bend to them. So I went and found myself a set of straight ones. And here's the cool thing with this. Both of my levers were broken on the set I had. So I got 2 levers and a set of pretty damn clean CL handlebars. I think I only gave, God, what'd I give for them? $65. Switches, horn buttons missing on this one. This is a little bit different year, but we'll compare and contrast and we'll see what's going on. Look at that, CL handlebars. A nice straight set of handlebars. Rock and roll. Feeling great about that. No sticker. Not seeing a sticker in this box. That's BS. B is in B, S is in S. All right, and this last one, Kobe Customs, Mankato, Minnesota, coming through again. I was perusing his YouTube or his eBay store, and I was like, "You got to be kidding me, bro!" I think that's exactly what I need, and I'm hoping that it's exactly what I need, and I'm hoping that it lives up to expectations. All right, we are getting down there on the CL350 from 1972. We're getting way down there. You guys ready for this? Please. All right, had a phone call come through, got distracted. Here we go. Ready for this? We got ourselves a 1972 CL350 seat. We got it sitting right here, and from the pictures, it looked like it was in really, really solid shape. So let's open this up. Let's rip into this real quick. Tear it open. I'm really excited to have an original seat to go with this bike because you know what? Seat was gone. Didn't even have a roach seat. Wow, this is in actually really good shape. Look at the seat pan on this. Nice and black. Look at that. The hell is this? I don't even know what they have the toolkit in the bottom here. Looks like there's a little storage compartment here. What is this? Owner's manual, maybe? Not sure what the hell went there. You put a map in there. Here's the cool thing. Both the hinges are there, so this will bolt right onto the frame. All the hardware's in. And the seat's actually in really, really good shape. Not a tear in it. Not a tear in it on the top. Any of the visible side. All the grommets are in place. Just a couple of little tears that I'll have to go and deal with right here on the bottom edge. We got a little bit of a condition issue. That's totally fixable. And then right here, there's a little tear on this edge as well. But that's it. We got our seat, our CL350 seat. Oh yeah, it's got the locker right there. I think that's for the helmet. Bam. All right, so today we did good. We got the CL350 seat from Kobe Customs, Mankato, Minnesota. We got a straight set of handlebars for the bike. And we got my buddy a CL exhaust bracket, which I've found can be kind of challenging to get. So whenever I get boxes of parts, I want to show them to you. So that's what I did today. Thanks so much for watching. If you guys are enjoying the videos, please subscribe. Thumbs up on the ones that you enjoy. Also follow along Instagram and Twitter at BV Matson. Oh, can't forget the damn sticker either. Sticker's cool. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Wait. I'm going to go rogue here. Got the tank inside. How about that? And then we got a shelf full of nice black parts. It was an awesome weekend working on the bike, guys. But look at that tank. Who would ever believe that was rattle canned? Have a great night, guys. See you in the next video.